and welcome to my channel. Thank you for joining me here today. In this video, I'll be doing a review on this L'Oreal Elvive Extraordinary Oil Multi-Use Mask and demonstrating how to use hair mask effectively. I love using L'Oreal Elvive Extraordinary Oil hair products, and I have the whole range of their products because they're so moisturizing. I did a review on the L'Oreal Extraordinary Oil Rapid Reviver Conditioner, which I will put in the cards above and also on the description box if you want to check that video out. This mask can be used in multiple ways. So it can be used as a pre-shampoo, after shampooing, and as a leave-in. So the mask should be applied to washed and towel dried hair. So right now my hair is in a turby twist, so I'm going to take it out now. So I'm just going to detangle my hair a bit. So now what you need to do is separate your hair into sections. It's easier to apply the mask if you separate your hair 3 or 4 sections, then secure it with hair clips or hair ties. Start to apply the mask one section, starting from the roots to the tips of the hair. It smells different from the L'Oreal Extraordinary Oil products. This has a different smell, but it's really nice, and it has lovely glitter, like gold glitter particles. And it's also really thick. Starting from the roots to the tips of the hair. Pay attention to the tips as they're more prone to breakage and needs extra care. By the way, this mask is actually really nice. It made my hair soft instantly, so that's a good point. I really like this. Now on to the next section, working from the roots to the tips. And also don't forget your edges as well, because they really need this treatment, because they're also prone to breakage too, as well as the tips. And also they need moisture as well. Like, our edges are really delicate. They're like prone to breakage too, so we need to focus on the edges as well as the tips, and just everywhere. Yeah, tips, the edges. Now the back. So I'm going to try and move here. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. So I'm just doing the same thing like what I did with the front of the hair and the nape, because the nape is also prone to breakage. Like, you need to make sure it has all the treatment it needs to make it healthy and strong. Now use a wide tooth comb and comb through your hair to ensure that the mask is evenly distributed throughout your hair. I just love L'Oreal Elvive products. Like, I just feel like all of their products just work well on my hair. It just like works wonders. Oh, my hands are slippery. The L'Oreal Elvive products are so moisturizing and helps keep the strength on my hair. That's why I love L'Oreal products. So remove it and comb it together. I'm just squeezing the mask treatment like on my hair, just to make sure it's well distributed. So yeah. We're done. Now that we're all done, we're going to need a shower cap like this. So yeah, this mask says to leave it in for 2 to 3 minutes, but I'm going to leave it in for about 10 minutes. Then I'll come back once I've rinsed this. You can use a heat cap or wrap your hair in a hot towel to boost the effectiveness of the hair mask. Okay, I've now rinsed it all out. So yeah, I like the way it made my hair feel, and it really did make my hair feel really soft. I really love the conditioner. Like, I really like it. So now I'm going to use this L'Oreal Elvive Extraordinary Oil on my damp hair. I just like putting this serum on my hair before blow drying it, but I really like it. I like the way it made my hair feel. I also love the way it looks after the hair mask treatment. So after using this L'Oreal Elvive Extraordinary Hair Mask, I have to say that this made my hair feel so soft. I just love how it made my hair feel. Even when I was applying it to my hair, I can feel how it was making my hair feel really soft, and it's a really thick consistency. So this is what it looks like. It smells phenomenal. Like, I love the smell of this, and all of the L'Oreal Elvive Extraordinary Oil line, like, they all have lovely scents to their hair products. And also this usually retails for £5.99, but I got it for £2.54 at Boots. So if you're interested in this mask, you can get it there. And also they also sell it at Superdrug too. It's just Boots are doing it on a deal right now. But I really love this mask. Like, I love the way it made my hair feel. My hair still feels really soft after using this mask. Like, and it's good to use a hair mask at least once a week to ensure your hair's health. So I would say this mask, every hair mask is for different hair types, depending if your hair is dry, damaged, or oily. So this mask, I would say that is more catered to people with dry hair, as it replenishes and nourishes the hair. So yeah, it even says it here. It says that it's for very dry hair, and I feel this works great if your hair is like extremely dry. This will help give your hair moisture and also softness, which is what I really love. I really enjoyed using this hair mask, and it will be a part of my hair routine, and I think that this will be a really good mask for you to try if you haven't yet tried this. This is amazing. Okay, thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to get more updates on my new videos. See you in my next video. Bye!